Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can create a calendar for yourself. So let's start in Google Calendar. So now what you want to do is just click here on settings, and now you're gonna see click add calendar here. Create a new calendar, name whatever, 1 to 3, and then you just like create a calendar. You choose the time zone and calendar creation in progress. It's like really simple and really easy. Okay, configure. And now, as you can see, we got ourselves our own calendar. You can share with people, you can access permissions, make available to public, yes. Share with specific, even notifications all day, like regularly edit it as much as you want. But yeah, and you can like delete the calendar then. So you can just add people and everything. Thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.